Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to describe new features of PHP 8.4 property hooks with example. One of the biggest change in PHP, it eliminating the need for a lot of boilerplate code. Property hooks, allowing each property to define its own get and set hooks. It remove a lot of getters and setters. Hooks are optional, and you don't have to add both of them on a specific property. Let's take an example of property hooks. Create class A. Now create variable string type full name. And now define hooks. Write set and set the value. Now write getter via syntax get. Set full name variable. Now get the full name variable. Let's run to see the result. Running successfully. Hooks are optional, and you don't have to add both of them on a specific property. For example, if I comment get in this code, I am able to print without writing get. You can also write set like this, variable type and variable name. If I remove string, let's run to see the error. It's mandatory to set variable type inside set. Let's run to see the result. Let's define two variables first and last. I want to set and get these two variables inside the full name variable. Also, print first variable. Let's run to see the result. Add PHP EOL for next line. Let's see without setter. Let's add variables inside constructor. Comment set. Set value inside class. Running successfully. If I uncomment full name variable to set, let's run to see the error. Getting error, you can read only, do not set value.